Come along with Stuart and me inside the HMS Victory.
Hi Florida Outdoor Adventures, hope you're well, keep adventuring.
It's gotta be cold. Oh my god, that's crazy. So welcome to Portsmouth. That's my hotel right there, the Lady Hamilton. Not those two people looking at me. And this is where we're gonna go explore right now. The Victory, right?
Yep.
HMS Victory, guys. This is the original, it's not a replica per Stuart. It's on dry dock. Amazing the stories this boat could tell and the places it's been. I'm sure it's even been to Cuba. Okay, thank you.
Thank you very much. Cheers.
Okay, so now we're changing into England Outdoor Adventures. I don't know how this is gonna work, man. See, where's the bar?
Imagine this, the thing is rocking and everything like that.
Yeah, man.
Oh, and up down.
Got me.
You alright?
Yeah. He fell or he died? Died.
Dead. That was it.
Wow.
He didn't just trip and
Yeah.
black for it.
He didn't bump his head here. Let's check out the VIP area. This is like a crib, right? For like a little kid?
Oh, that was the captain's quarters.
Okay.
Indoor plumbing.
Nice. Let's take a break.
Watch it be like half the face or something.
German warship right there. German Navy. Circa 2018. This is Captain Harding's dining area.
Open that. Room with a view.
Okay, let's see.
Computer, don't be blaming me.
No, no. These are Captain Harding's. What did I say, Harding?
I think so, I think, yeah.
Captain Harding's pleasure boat. This is where he would go. He would drop this off in Grand Cayman and then pick up the women and bring them back.
With a few stowaways.
Yeah.
It's got to be done. Room with a view.
Guns, swords.
The old cutlasses still in use in 1940.
Yeah.
Yeah, they used to capture the crews before they sank the ship. And the Altmark was put on the Altmark, and then it went back to Norway to refuel, offload the prisoners. I think it was in 1940-41. So the HMS Cossack went into the fjord, violated Norwegian neutrality, upset the Germans no end, turned the screw down, and they get on board quietly. They use cutlasses, and that's the last time they used cutlasses.
Has this ship ever been to the Caribbean?
Yeah, it did a round robin there when they were chasing Billy News crowd. That was the diversion that they made. It went there and came back.
Very cool. Thank you, sir.
Very much. Cheers. Thank you.
Mahel, Frodo, and Yuka. You guys would totally be at home here. They love hammocks. It's much better back here, like height-wise.
Muskets.
Yep.
It was all kicking off. People running up and down the stairs, carrying on board with noisy.
Stuart, have you been to Pirates of the Caribbean and Magic Kingdom?
Yep.
Do you get that same feeling, like the dark?
Eerie.
Nelson's Day Cabin.
You want to have a look in there, mate?
Oh. And here's where he would sit.
So think about what he's going on.
He would sit there and he would write, "Dear Queen," or King, whoever it was back then. Was it a king or
King.
Dear King so-and-so. Today, we went to St. Croix and we captured 50 women. They're all naked in my studio upstairs. Send more money.
See you when you land.
What we need to do, knowing the issues.
You see, man, we're not the only crazy ones that like to have a beer or two.
Well, this is it. What makes it holiday, innit?
Yeah. Okay, man, let's stop playing around. Let's grab a beer and let's get some fish and chips.
Dude, awesome.
This is the dining room. Oh, look at that. Picaña. They used to eat picaña.
It's definitely getting lower, mate.
Yeah, it is. I don't think we'd be good candidates to work here, man. We need back surgery, like after 3 years.
We'd be more delegated.
Yeah, it has to be. Wow. Sleeping quarters. If you could see in the darkness back there, all hammocks.
Nelson, baby.
Hold it, hold it.
Jackets for you.
BMW like. This concludes the tour of the HMS Victory. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you liked the video. Now it's time to
Beer and fish and chips.
fish and chips and beer. Let's go. Let's do this. Whatever you think, I don't know.
Can I get some more tartar sauce? Sorry.
Stuart, this is the real deal, man.
This is what you came all this way for.
Yes, look, guacamole.